Hi friends, another exciting class for you. Now click on this entity, right click, then parent children, and then try to find the child of this entity, which is a sweep surface. I generally follow the images to match the shape as per the view, as per the model. I always try to match as much as possible. Friends, now I am again going to use the quick select command. Here you could get a good idea how to use this command perfectly. So now I'm going to use this command many times, so don't worry if you don't understand. Then practice will make you perfect. As much practice you do, will be more perfect on this type of commands. So actually my intention was to find the multi-section surface, so I got it. You just need to unhide the multi-section surface, then go to the sketch command, select the plane and make a sketch, and just try to follow me. In order to avoid the visualization problem, I generally use this technique. Unhide the reference surface so we could follow the projections. So now click on the spline command and make a spline like this. The second point must be on the center plane, so and the constraints will be automatically taken by Catia. And now click the both end of the spline, then click the center plane, then click on the constraint command and give a symmetry constraint. So now you can make it practice. Now we have three constraints. One is coincidence with center plane, another two end points are symmetry with the center plane. Now create another spline. I'm creating this spline just in imagination. There is not certain projection for this, so you just follow and try to make the splines something like this. You will get two splines. Now connect them by the connect curve command, and it's just freehand sketch, and there is no certain rule for this. And after whenever I will finish this class, you could understand the reason why I am creating like this. However, just try to follow the steps and you could get a sketch like this. Then we will split with the center plane. Then we will use the symmetry command to make it symmetry with the center plane. So now we are both identical curves, both sides of the center plane. Now we will join these two curves and just join it. Hello, now project this curve on this surface and use the option along direction, and in the direction area you select this plane. So finally this curve will projected on the surface, and and just make the continuity to the curvature continuity. Then change the deviation to 0.1 mm, then press OK. Now we will, it's better to create a spline. Click on the spline command, select this end, and select the option geometry on support and select the surface. It is always better to take a spline for this kind of operations. Hello, now select the surface and make it unhide, and double click on this spline and just uncheck this geometry on surface command. Now click on the fill surface command, select this curve and select this curve and this spline, make it preview, then press OK. You'll get a fill surface. Now we will translate this fill surface with along this direction. Just try to learn about this command. It's very easy. So now hide this surface, this curve, and also this curve. Just click on the blend surface command and select this edge of the surface and this edge of the surface. For the first support we will use the extend surface, but just remember, for the second support we are not going to use any support for the second curve. So because we don't want any continuity with any other surface, just try to notice these things. And now once again double click on the blend surface and select on the tension tab and just change the tension 1 to 0.5. I don't think this surface looks good. I think I have to improve the quality of surface. So let's try some different way. So now select the quick select command and select on the page and try to find the parents where we could make change, and in this case just try to follow what I am doing. There might be a many different approach to deal with this situation. I'm going to use one of them. You can try one of them. Let's try to change the sketch from which we have created so far, and all the shape of this page is depend on the sketch. So my first approach was to try to change the sketch shape. If it will not work, then I will try some other way to solve this problem. However, this is my first attempt to get a better shape. I'm just trying to change the sketch a little, the shape. Let's come out from the sketch, but I don't think I could get start. After changing the sketch, could you feel any improvement in surface? No, I don't think so. I think I have to find some different ways. Let's change the tension once again to make it 0.2, and also we can change the distance of the translate surface to somehow make it 50. We can do some hit and trial to get a better shape, but still I have not achieved the right shape which I have been searching for.